Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 9. Holding this view, these ruined souls of small intellect and fierce deeds come forth as the enemies of the world for its destruction.
Chapter 16, Shloka 9. Edam drishtim avashtabhya nashtatmanolpabuddhayah prabhavantyukra karmanah kshayaya jagatohitaah.
Chapter 16, Shloka 9. After describing thus the point of view of the materialist, Krishna sympathizes with the lot of such men and traces their instinctive deeds. Holding the view that there is no substratum, there is no controlling power, and the world continues to exist and procreate by itself. If the world were to live giving full vent to animal nature, it will only achieve restlessness, disaster, and destruction for itself. A balanced personality is for him who has a clear conception and a correct judgment of himself. If an individual forgets himself, he acts in a manner against the dignity of his birth, education, culture, and social status, like a mad man or a drunken fool. When a materialist thus works in ignorance of his own divine status, he naturally behaves as though he is an animal, insulting the divine status of his own evolution. Once an individual refuses to recognize the divine presence of truth in life, he will function as a self-centered, selfish entity, only seeking his personal satisfaction from the material world. Seeking complete fulfillment in the gratification of the senses, he strives hard but discovers only disappointment, a sense of defeat. Lord Krishna calls such men men of small intellect. The harm which comes to all if equal freedom is given to both the believers in the eternal reality and the non-believers in some permanent truth is an irredeemable disaster to the era. The predicament through which the world today is going through, when an individual loses faith in the higher reality, he becomes licentious at all levels of expression. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.